Madami. Nag-usap nga kami ni Service Store. Sabi ko, matagal ako sa intelligence section dito at DPIOU. Almost 4 years, 4 na DP yung pinag-servisyon. So, first of all, I want to express how much I truly miss the Manila Police District. So, it is an honor to me to be here. Today, we are gathered to celebrate and honor the spirit of community and cooperation during the Police Community Relation of the Month. This occasion is a testament to our commitment to serve and protect, not just to enforce the law, but as partner and friends with our stakeholder and community. These past few days, we faced the challenges brought by the storm and Nabaga that affected flooded areas, not only in the city of Manila, but across the entire Philippines. We are fortunate, even we have reclamation along Dewey Boulevard. Manila has remained strong, hindi lumubog ang Manila. Siguro dahil na din sa ama ng Maynila, si Mayor Isko Moreno na nakasama ko, is very visionary. Upon assumption, isa sa naging executive order niya, yung cleanliness and declogging. Kaya tingin ko, malaki naging tulong nun para sa pagkapula ng bahay. Hindi katulad nung time namin, talagang inaabot hanggang... As a part of the City Council naman, under the leadership again of Mayor Isko Moreno and Vice Atienza, we have responded swiftly, creating an ordinance declaring a state of calamity in Manila to better address and manage these emergencies. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you, our dedicated police officer, the awardee, isa niyan yung classmate ko, community leaders, volunteers, partners from the media and from MPD Press Corps, and residents who continue to foster a culture of trust and understanding and collaboration. Your efforts are the foundation of safer, more resilient Manila. Alam niyo, sabi ng mga Antigo dito, yung mga Antigo, na PCR daw is coming from beat patrollers. Which is totoo naman, siguro tanda pa yan. And Lieutenant Colonel Anacete, may ako kami dating nakasama, isang matandang Antigong pulis. Iiwanan kami. Pagbalik, may dala-dala ng pansit. Ganun kagaling. Nakatawa sila. Hindi ko, kilala niyo pa yun. So, when we often emphasize that the police patrol are the backbone of police work, we must also recognize that police-community relations are a strong bone to a positive relation between law enforcement and the community. Madalas natin pinatutupad ang tanging ng batas. Pero, to balance our mandated duty, a simple community service, we can give a smile that speak 1,000 words, lalo na sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong sa atin. Effective police-community relation based on dialogue, transparency, mutual respect, essential addressing today the challenges, whether it is crime prevention, disaster response, or social development, toward to attain safer place to live and work, do business. Our goal is to build bridges, not wall, and work hand in hand toward to a shared vision of peace and progress. And for any intention or success nation, the best bridge is our human personality. Huwag po natin alisin yan. This month, let us renew our pledge Uphold the core values of integrity, service, and compassion. Let us continue to listen to the voice of the community members, understand their concern, and work together to find solution. Remember, policing is not just about enforcement. It's about empathy, understanding, and partnership. Kaya po kami sa Sangguniang Panlunsod, asahan nyo, kikilalanin namin at katuwang nyo kami sa paggawa ng batas na para makatulong sa Manila, hindi lang sa Manila Police District, kundi sa entire Philippine National Police. Ako po, nung unang po ko, kinilala agad natin ang mga unsung hero na kung saan yung mga volunteers from fire na nasunog. Binigyan agad natin ang condition. Ganun din, nung panahon ni Sir D. Guzman, we recognize your selfless service na kung saan na-approve na din yung resolution pagkilala sa Manila Police District. So, madami pa din po akong inain na amendment ng ordinansa katulad ng 5555 at yung mufflers law para maprotektahan din yung road police na nag-implement ng mga batas natin, particularly dito sa City of Manila. So, let us organize and mobilize the police community relation, be grateful and align the effort to support the organization program. Your innovative approach can make a difference. Totoo po yun. Alam nyo, sa Metro Bank Foundation, isa po ako sa awardee. A simple deeds with the best impact to the community. Nagiging beyond excellent. Kaya po yung mga simpleng ginagawa nyo na pinanood ko kanina, masaya ako doon. Kasi yun po ang nagpa-ano sa akin. Kahit anong sakripisyo natin, kahit ilang kriminal ang mahuli natin, ang kilala ng Metro Bank Foundation, yung smile na nabigay natin sa community, mas kinikilala nila ang servisyo nasa puso. So, yung po team, pwede din naman ako mag-coach if everyone na gusto mag-apply sa inyo. Nandiyan pala din classmate ko. As we move forward, I encourage everyone to sustain the momentum positive change. Let us be proactive in fostering harmony and unity in our neighborhood. Together, we can create Manila that is not only safe, but also embodies the wisdom and vision of Mayor Isko Moreno to make Manila great again. In closing, I thank you all for your unwavering support and dedication and collaboration vital in our mission to make Manila safe again. Muli, maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Manila Police District.
Thank you very much, Honorable Councilor Rosalino P. Jr. for your inspiring message and continue